Stripped down to the bare metal skin to find exactly what went wrong with them. Cases split open, gears in a row, under the light of the shed's dim glow. Measuring the bolt that fell in the pan, a tiny little hitch in the master plan. 5 millimeters wide, 35 long, the piece of the puzzle where it doesn't belong.
Okay, next is the starter gear and the one behind. It says to withdraw this shaft and pull that out. Cogs on the back, smooth on the front. This one here, you need a pair of circuit pliers. This is going to be a little bit fiddly. Okay, that's the circlip, and I was struggling to get it to go into the holes, so I had to use a file and resharpen the edges because they had become slightly rounded off. And it says push the shaft in slightly so this one can come out. Smooth on the front side, concave on the inside. And I think that's about all for this side. Then I go back to the other side.